Hello everyone, my name is Nicole. I am a second year teacher, and today what I wanted to show you is how I've developed my virtual planner or an online planner. So I've used a lot of like physical planners uh, from like Amazon or from chapters, and I really liked physically writing in them. However, what I found was that I would only use them for about a month, and then because all of my other work was online with Google Drive, I would stop using my physical planners and kind of plan more on my computer, but I never found a good way to kind of put all my plans into one spot. This year, however, I found this way of planning that I really like. I've seen a few other teachers do it, and I wanted to show you how I developed it for myself, what I found worked best for me. So, if you're interested, keep on watching. So, I found this theme, this slide theme, which means kind of like the background, what it looks like, this purple and pink. I found this on Slide Carnival. It is a great site for finding unique slide themes if you're into some fun slideshows. So I would check that out if you want to find some different backgrounds that Google Slides doesn't have in their regular repertoire. So I have Planner 2020 to 2021, and then I go on to my general weekly schedule. This is where I put all my general plans down for the day and for the week. So I have week 2 because that's when I first started this planner, and it's from September 7th to 11th. Monday was no school, and then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we have day 1, day 2, day 1, day 2. That's because Art 9 is every second day. So I have Art 9A and Art 9B. I put my classes on the left side here. So Art 10, Art 30, lunch, Art 20, and then those Art 9 classes. I will show you more in depth how I created this, but first I'm just going to show you kind of what is all involved in it and how I made it, or why I made it, sorry, and then I'll show you the how. So I go into kind of my basics of what's going to be happening for the day. So I can open this up in the morning and see, okay, what does today kind of look like? So for example, on Tuesday, I'm introducing my story, sketchbook assignment, and I also have to make a seating plan. Then for Art 30, I'm working on still life drawing stuff with my students, again, a seating plan. At lunchtime, I need to do some prep. I don't like doing that, but it's our first week having all the students together, so I need to do some stuff before the afternoon classes. Then the afternoon classes give more time for the styrogami project. It's the last day, and then we're starting bookbinding, and then there's a seating plan as well. Here, start letter drawing, start sketchbook, seating plan. I say 0.5 because that means half the students are going to be starting the letter drawing and half the students are starting sketchbooks, and then they're going to be swapping just because we don't have quite enough space to have them all do really messy stuff right now, especially with COVID. I need to be careful. So that's kind of what this looks like, and then I can see my week and how it'll go. These blank ones just show that it's kind of the same thing. I usually say continue because it's the same thing as yesterday type of deal. See, display seating plan, and then continue on with what the day before was. Then I go into more specifics. So I have Art 10, Art 30, Art 20, and Art 9. Art 10 is my first class of the day. Again, I have week 2 on the side here. And I have planning, and I have to do. Planning is kind of my plan for the week, specifically for this class. So I have do seating plan, and then I have handout, my story slideshow, assessment, and example. These are all links to that specific project. So I can actually just pull up this slide if I have the class in the morning, and then pull up the slide, and then I can click on the link and it'll take me to the handout. It's just taking a little longer because I'm casting all of this, I'm recording it, and then it takes me to the handout that they have. I can go back and, oh, let's click on my slideshow because I'm going to need that. So I open the slideshow. Oh yes, so this was an example of me kind of showing my own story and it kind of talking a bit about myself since I'm new to them. And also their assignment was to create a 2-page layout using imagery and notes about who they are. So I had pictures. If you're interested in some of this, let me know. But yeah, so that's all there and I can easily pull it up. And then I have my assessment, so that shows the students what I'm assessing them on. I have an example. And then I go on to the next project because I actually start a new project that week I did. So it's the line project, and here's the slideshow for that and the assessment handout for that. So then my to-do. This is things that I need to still do. So this is my plan, but these are the things that I need to do so that I can execute my plan. So make my own sketchbook story. That's what I just showed you. And then I put it in here. Show examples in slideshow to students. So make sure I do that. I did that. Put assignment and assessment on Google Classroom. I did that. Find line PowerPoint, look through it. That's what this is. I looked through it. And then print off line example sheets. I did that as well. This whole week is done. These are all checked off. Now, if I really want to, I can put a little check mark thing on it instead of this, what are they called? Oh my goodness, my brain's not working. These palette points, instead of putting these like art palette points, I could put little check marks when I'm done. I could show you how to do that later. But anyway, that's kind of what I do. I have that with Art 30 as well, but we don't have any links on it because they started all of that last week. Here I have again some links, slideshow, the 4 drawings assignment. This I say Friday because I'm starting it on Friday. Again, some links, what I need to do. And then I go on to my 3rd week. And I've already started kind of blocking in some stuff. And that's where I'm going to be doing my planning today, which is Saturday. So then I also have an idea of, oh, there's no school on Friday. Oh, it's an H day, which means that the schedule actually looks different on that day and stuff like that. So that's how I do my planning. Now, if you're interested in seeing how I actually create it, you can keep on watching.